You know, I heard a young couple laughing the other day about the biggest argument they had since they first got married. It wasn't about money. It wasn't about the in-laws. It wasn't even about how they were going to raise their children. It was about the wall thermostat. Who could imagine? One of them liked the house nice and cool. The other was always wrapped up in a blanket, wondering why they got married in the first place, just to freeze all winter long. At first it sounds kind of funny, but the more I thought about it, the more I realized maybe the thermostat was never really the problem. So welcome to my first of my 101 top hats. Every hat has a story, and every story has reminded me of something about life, marriage, and the promises we make to one another. Today it's the little pumpkin truck hat. When I was building this hat, I kept looking at this old truck. There's just something about an old truck. It has character, it has history. It makes you wonder where it's been, what it's seen. But if you've ever owned an old truck, you know something else. It doesn't keep itself running. Somebody has to change the oil. Somebody has to tighten the loose bolts. Somebody fixes the little things before they come big things. And of course, a good marriage reminds me a lot of that. From the outside, people see the beautiful moments. They see the smiles. They see the anniversary pictures. What they don't see are all the little choices the couple makes. Keep them both moving together in the same direction. Now let's go back to the thermostat. Can you picture it? One person quietly walks over and clicks up a couple of degrees on the thermostat. 20 minutes later, the other person walks by and click, click, and turns it right back down. Nobody said much, but little by little, the frustration starts to grow. And that's when something important can be forgotten. In a healthy marriage, it isn't you against your spouse. It's both of you standing together against the problems of life. That's a completely different way of looking at it. If one person is uncomfortable, then the whole team isn't winning. The goal isn't to win the argument. The goal is to take care of each other. If you know somebody who's getting married, and maybe they've been married a short period of time, I hope you'll share this video with them. Sometimes the smallest stories are the ones that we remember the longest. Now, the lesson. The thermostat usually isn't about the thermostat. It's about learning how to listen. It's about feeling heard. It's about deciding that your relationship matters more than being right. Maybe the answer isn't changing the temperature. Maybe it's about buying a few more warm blankets. Maybe it's about putting on some sweatpants and sweat t-shirts. Maybe it's simply asking, what would help you feel more comfortable? These little conversations are what keeps the truck rolling down the road. They're little tune-ups. They're the oil changes. They're the everyday maintenance that keeps love healthy for years to come. Now in closing, as I finish this pumpkin truck hat, I couldn't help but smile. The truck doesn't get very far if only one person is willing to maintain it. Marriage is much the same way. It isn't about finding someone who's exactly like you. It's about learning how to travel the road together. Maybe the thermostat was never about the thermostat after all. Maybe it was simply another opportunity to love each other a little bit better. Now let me show you a little about this pumpkin truck, how this pumpkin truck came to life. thank you for riding along with me on this first top hat video, the pumpkin truck. I'll see you the next time when we discover the story behind hat number 2, and I've already completed it, so I hope you get to join me on that. Have a blessed day. Keep walking with Jesus.